in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Decatur County, northern Sheridan County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from 7 miles southwest of New Almelo to Rexford and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dresden, Jennings, Canona, Oberlin and Decatur. This includes Highway 36 between mile markers 70 and 98. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Decatur and Sheridan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for